So, order me guys. Og mango shake. And then, na ay cake. Nami cake.
Gani ato pa kanini ko ano.
We do it here? Yeah, we can't eat in the room, I think.
Yeah.
Alone sa tagay ng kuan?
Yeah.
The cake was cheap, but the numbers were expensive. Yeah.
Birthday day ni Ate Clarissa. 75 years old na siya.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
One more.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday, brother.
Uh-huh. Let me do it. Who put that number there? Sorry. Who put that number there? The wrong number.
Guys, we are here guys to celebrate the birthday of Brother Bill.
Siguan ba
Oh, to celebrate my birthday. So for today's videos guys, I'm 75 years old. 75 years old.
Sa
So,
brother. Big brother. Dami. May ilang kuan. Wala dyan. Alam mo ito siguro sa mga kadaog.
So,
Sorry. What? What? Who? Wait, now?